Azvinomira mushe panguva ino munyika South Africa, patiri kuona kuti since yesterday the South African Police Service it was preparing for the anti-immigration marches anoonekwa kunzi they are starting today. Panguva ino zvinyazobuda pachena kuti zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Tinotoona kuti it is politically motivated or what, but panguva ino the situation will remain how it is. Isapinda mashuka mudanyuka panguva ino achianalyzwa naHope Chimono. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. The tragedy is that the 600 million rand, approximately 33 million US dollar or 24 million pounds, used to put this much needed security apparatus in place could have been used to create jobs, provide training opportunities, and assist the unemployed. I call it a tragedy because on 1 July, after the marches, the same people who are unemployed today will still be unemployed. Their lives will not have changed despite the 600 million rand, approximately 33 million US dollars, that will be spent on policing and other related issues tied to these marches. Doma developments are ruda panguva ine achanalyze nokuchikona achiti this decision yekuya vachimacha nekuya chichesa way foreigners panguva ino this much of amount inosvika 33 million dei aitonzi dei vakatono trainer citizens vakanoita workshops and the likes. They also to provide employment, but this decision panguva ino because it is not fruitful. What developments are kubuda panguva ino in a situation iri munyika South Africa, but tingoona kuti zvaranhasi updates as they are showing chakatokala izvezvi vatotanga kutopinda mumastreets, vatotanga kutomacha nekuchesa away foreigners. Tudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu dzafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.